What's happening to YouTube? Charles and Chargers back with another video, and we got the rookie card explosion box football. So let's get right into it. Set this aside here. There we go. Right. Again, same with the high-end baseball volume 10 already. Insane to think about. So let's set that in the back. Grab our stack. Here we go. '05 upper deck, Bowman Chrome from '07, 17 optic retail, 2020 contenders retail, 2020 illusions retail, 2020 mosaic retail, 2020 Panini prism retail, and 21 prism retail. So pretty fun lineup. We'll start off right on down the line like we do. '05 upper deck. Look for Aaron Rodgers and Frank Gore. Alright. And bear with me here, these will stick together a little bit. Okay, starting off with Lawyer Malloy. I always like these to see who I remember and everything. Dominic Davis. Jake Daylight coming, you got a Delhomme. Ronnie Brown, star rookie. Got some upper deck propaganda. T.O. It's actually kind of cool, you know, it's just base card. Derek Blaylock. Whoops. There we go, Charles Woodson. That's cool. And Marcus Spears. All right, a couple of Hall of Famers out there. T.O. and Woodson. All right, '07 Bowman Chrome. Megatron, AP, Marshawn Lynch, and a Brady. 8th year. Pack did not want to open. Okay, Tavares Jackson, Terry Glenn, Joe Horn, and LaRon Landry, rookie. I think the last time I opened this, I actually got the AP, if I remember right. All right, 17 optic. Cast of characters here: Mahomes, Cooper Kupp, Christian McCaffrey, Watson, Kamara, and Dalvin Cook. right, starting off, Carlos Hyde. Zeke. Ooh. Yeah. O.J. Howard. It's not too bad. Obi Melifonwu. Rookie. All right. It's not too bad. Got the O.J. Howard. Okay. 2020 contenders. Herbert, Burrow, Hurts, Jonathan Taylor, Tua, Jordan Love, and Justin Jefferson. Man, Herbert and Burrow are kind of struggling this year a little bit. Burrow had a nice game over last weekend. 4 touchdowns. Herbert did not. I was up by 5 points in my fantasy league. I had McManus. My opponent had Herbert, and I beat him. Didn't think I had a chance, and I got him. In fact, I won by like 9 points. Okay, starting off with Amari Cooper. Derek Carr. Run CMC. Michael Thomas. Hollywood Brown, I believe done for the season. That's cool. Aaron Donald. Derrick Henry. And MVP contender Carson Wentz, who is out with an injury. Taylor Heineke will be getting the start. Which means Washington probably has a pretty decent chance to win this week. Not a big ones guy. All right, illusions. Same cast of characters. I like this product. It's nice looking cards. Okay, starting it off. Zach Moss. TJ Watt. T. Higgins. Rookie. Watson. Michael Pittman Jr. Rookie. And Taysom Hill. All right. 2020 Mosaic. Keenan Allen. Juju. Jim Kelly, Hall of Fame. And Tony Gonzalez, Touchdown Master. I like those cards. Look nice. All right, 2020 Prism. Okay, Chris Godwin. Denzel Ward. It's actually kind of sticking. Joe Montana. Not numbered. Okay. That baby's going right in the PC. And sorry, guys. Cleveland Farrell. All right, last pack of the box here. 2021 Prism Retail. Got T-Law, Mac Jones, Jamar Chase, Trey Lance, Fields, Zach Wilson, and Davis Mills. All right, Joe Mixon, LaVisca Chenault, Pulsar, Hell yeah. Cool. Kind of struggling this year, but it's the Texans. Still. Let's, set him right there. And final card, Cornell Powell. All right. So, recap, couple PC cards. Obviously, Montana, Tony G, T.J. Watt, Donald. And then our rookies. Got T. Higgins, O.J. Howard, Pink Raider rookie. Yeah, these will just go with my little legend box. And then a nice one here. The green Pulsar, Davis Mills. Not numbered, but pretty damn cool nonetheless. All right, guys, that is it for the Volume 10 already. Volume 10. Rookie Card Explosion Box Football. Thank you, Flemington, as always, for putting this together. Always fun. Always a lot of fun. So, guys, I'll be looking forward to watching your Explosion Box breaks. Hope you pull some fire. I'll be hoping for you, pulling for you. So, that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Talk to you later.